We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more related unclear words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this one? In British English, this is normally said as betrayal. You do want to stress on the second syllable on the tray syllable, betrayal. In American English, however, this is normally said as betrayal. Betrayal in American English versus betrayal in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.